do you ever feel as a band pressured by the success of your past hits and wanting to follow that up? How do you stay focused on creating new music, exploring new styles? How do you guys focus on creating newer and newer stuff?
Well, pressure is always there, and it's coming from all sides, even from like what you said, like the past the past band that you were in, but also the new bands now are so awesome. So, we could take it either as pressure or as inspiration, and we choose to take it as an inspiration. Be like, we made these hits before, we're gonna keep trying to make more, and and the new bands inspire us that like we can really create something new and different now.
And also, I'd like to add on that. Kung minsan kasi iniisip natin at first, parang kailangan natin mag-hit, as lili, ganyan-ganyan. But to think, mas okay yung longevity para sa akin. Kasi mas maganda yung kahit hindi kayo ganun kahit pero nandiyan kayo. As in, magtatagal kayo, tapos mga ibang banda, nawawala na. Joke lang. Pero kayo, nandiyan pa rin. Alam mo yun, yun yung mas target namin yung longevity.
Hey, thanks for watching! For more exclusive videos and artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts too. Links are in the description below.